Brexit is a contraction of British and exit. It describes the withdrawal of the United Kingdom, the UK, from the EU following a referendum that was held on the 2nd of June 2016, during which nearly 52% British citizens voted in favor of leaving the EU. At the time of making this course, Brexit is in full negotiation and, believe me, causes great turmoil in the UK. We don't know what's going to happen, and whatever happens in the end, as it might go on for a while, either Brexit will not happen and nothing will change for UK citizens, or the UK will effectively leave with or without a deal and or a period of adaptation. In any of the withdrawal cases, the UK will ultimately end up being a third country. That is to say, a country that is no longer part of the EU, exactly like, Brazil, America, or China. And consequently, UK will stop benefiting from the advantage allocated to EU members. There will probably be, certainly, I would think, individual commercial and political deals organized between the UK and each member state individually. But generally speaking, all the rules that apply in the EU will no longer apply to UK citizens or to EU citizens holding a UK qualifications for what concerns our course. The consequences of Brexit for those of you who are either UK citizens or EU citizens holding a UK qualification is that the rules, the systems, the procedures that are presented and described within this course will no longer apply to you, and your rights will be like those of Peruvians and Vietnamese. As far as recognition of qualification is concerned, we do already have some information that's been produced by the EU Commission about what will happen after Brexit. I've actually enclosed the two reports in English that the EU has released regarding Brexit that clearly explains what will happen, together with a PDF document that will allow you to read through questions and answers dealing with Brexit issues for those of you who are concerned. In a nutshell, first of all, the rights you have acquired, the rights you have gained, will be grandfathered, which means that after Brexit, those of you who have gained rights and the freedom of service delivery will only keep their rights until the end of the period of visit in another member state, while those of you who have gained rights under free establishment will keep their rights after Brexit. We'll explain these two aspects later on. Secondly, it means that pending dossiers will still be dealt with under the directive. That's very important. And three, dossiers in administrative and criminal courts will be examined in the light of law applicable at the time of the facts, so in principle, under the light of the directive. All those concepts I will explain to you during the course. And so if you are a UK citizen or again an EU citizen holding a UK qualification, you'll understand better the means of all this at the end of this course, because we'll develop all these topics through the course. And because you should always look on the bright side of life, I have finally enclosed a link to an amusing video about the UK and Brexit, just to check if you all have a sense of humor. Enjoy.